trading, mami.
About trading, I really saw a very big potential in trading. Before, wala talaga akong interest on anything, but na-realize ko last year, nung nakita ko yung TikTok ni Coach Rani, na there is something more pa pala for me. Just trading as a mom. Kasi I was stay at home. Ba't ako naiiyak? Kasi I was stay at home since 2020. And there are times na I feel like I can do more, not just being a mom, but I don't get me wrong, I fully embrace and I really love being a mom. But nasanay kasi ako prior to being a full-time mom. Sa corporate world, meron kang KPIs, meron kang ladder na gusto mong i-reach, promotion. I was at that point na na-miss ko siya. But then again, sabi ko, I choose to be a stay-at-home mom because